Hi friends, welcome to the channel, and I'm hoping that you have a good trading day today. So, as per our analysis, Nifty went to this zone actually and made some low over here. And then yesterday I could not make the videos. Otherwise, I would have told that this could be one of the support and the reason being is that what I told is that this is 1 and this is 2. Then if this 1 equal to 3, then it is coming as 14,365 is one of the support region. So it took the support from here. So that is the reason it took the support from here. Okay, 14,365 actually, it is not 14,000. Okay, 14,000 this region, it took one support from here. So that's fine, but it will be remain the ATH. It will remain ATH until unless it is crossed. Okay. So and what I am telling, there will be a because there is a super fall now. So I think Nifty could rise above 15,015 up to here. Everybody is interested in I think levels, so analysis doesn't matter, whatever the analysis. So better I'll give you the levels for the intraday and for the weekly. That would help you to make money. So so I'll tell you, this is one of the it could be the one of the sorting zone over here. Okay, today also this whatever I told you, 14,600 to 14,550 one of the sorting zone, and it came over here. Then after that it went up. So you have to go, you have to very quick, because once it is a volatile market, you should capture 50 points or 100 points, and you have to get out of the trade. Or if you have 2 lots or 3 lots, then you can trail your stop loss, trail your target, and then according to the stop loss you could take the action. So my ideal stop loss is always the 13 days moving average high. If you are short and you have not able to get rid of the trade, and you are the trade goes wrong, then you are always this is the always the stop loss for you. Okay, 13 days moving average high, once the candle is closed, you could take the and take out the trade. So that is how it is actually works, the system. And now what I am telling, this could be the one of the zone over here where you can get where you can get actually 15,009. Okay, 15,009, where you can get actually one of the, we could see one of the fall. Okay, we could see one of the fall, and which could break this low. Okay, so let's see what is on the card. Up to this wave, actually it can go, I'll tell you 1 minute. So this could actually, it could go to 0.5% to 0.618%. So from here to here, 0.618, 14,956. Okay, one is this one, 14,956, and another is I'll tell you, one is okay, I'll do this one. Okay, yeah, 15,020 to 14,893 will be the ideal sorting zone. Okay, 14,890 will be the ideal sorting zone. Yes. So from here, 15,020, okay, 15,020 to the 14,890 and 14,000, this one will be the ideal this will be the sorting zone. So be cautious over here. Don't think that they have put the data over in 15,500. More data is there in open interest, so that is fine. So they are predicting that biggies are predicting, pros and FIs are predicting that the market, Nifty could not go over to 15,500. So that's why that was the safe zone where they have put the money. Okay, they have written the money, they have written the Y. So call writer have written their calls. So what I feel that before only I think that one this one will be coming. Okay, one fall will be coming. So we'll be seeing whether this 14,348 is going to be taken over or not. Okay, so if this is taken over, then my target of 13,000, this one actually will come. Otherwise otherwise it can be difficult. 13,778. So this target is open till now. So let's see this one. Let's see this one, because everybody is everybody's analysis, some people Elliott web analysis, some so what they are telling, this is A, this is B, and this is C, down wave. So it is not like that, because A is not a 3 wave, actually it is a 5 wave. This is also a 5 wave. So this is not a such type of correction, 3 wave correction ABC. Actually the correction, it comes from here only, that ABC has made over here. So this is only the C wave which is forming the correction, and it will take some time. Actually it is not like that, because this is the fourth wave in the whole wave, in the weekly and daily time frame analysis. So it will be little frustrated actually. So now it will go over here, then again it will fall, and it will be not very quick. Okay, now the range for tomorrow, range for Monday will be 14,350, larger range 14,350 to 15,020. Okay, 15,020 to 14,350 would be the range. So within this range, Nifty could be hovering over here until unless it is break 14,348. We cannot see 13,778. But yes, if it is crossing this zone, okay, if it is crossing this one, actually 15,000, yeah, if it is crossing this this gap area and this all these things, then we could see that it could go up. So till then we'll see. One of the major hurdle is this one. Okay, one of the major hurdle will be this, and then one of the major hurdle will be this one, which has been not been crossed. Okay, so from here also we can see some fall also. So but now if Nifty reach there, then it will be a totally a zigzag move, and then I think it will be up move will carry on. Okay, so then if Nifty reach over here, then it is surety that up move will be carry on. I don't think any fall would come, but always if the market will be correct, we don't know what is there in the hand. Okay, but right now this is the level for 15,020 to 14,350. Okay, hope your trading will be good on Monday. We'll see on Monday. Post analysis will come with the Tuesday view. Happy trading day.